Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing the overview of class 6 chapter 1. Its name is What, Where, How and When. When we see history, it is divided into three parts. First is the ancient period, second is the medieval period, third is the modern period. So this ancient period you'll be studying in class 6, and in medieval period you'll be studying in class 7, and modern period you'll be studying in class 8. So we will come to the index page of this book. In the first chapter we are seeing the introduction of all the chapters. In the second chapter we are seeing the how people lived and the Stone Age. In the third chapter we are seeing uh, the early agriculture. We will see about early herders and farmers. Fourth, it is about the Indus Valley civilization. Fifth, it is about the books and some of the Vedas and some of the rituals that is performed after the death. And in sixth, we'll be seeing uh, this later Vedic period, and in seventh, we'll be seeing the Buddhas and Mahaviras questions and ideas. And we will be seeing in 8th chapter we'll be seeing Ashoka, the greatest emperor, that is Mauryan Empire emperor. And in 9th and 10th and 11th we'll be seeing later Mauryan periods. In 12th we'll be seeing the architecture in this ancient period. So when we come to the overview of this chapter, it talks about where did people live, and detailed we'll be talking about in chapter 2 early agriculture, and it is talked in detail in chapter 3 Indus Valley civilization, and it is talked detailed in chapter 4, and settlements near Ganga and its tributaries, it is talked in detail in chapter 6, 7, 8, and name of the Indian subcontinent as India and Bharat, ways of finding about the past, how to read dates given in the book. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button.